Hey guys, I'm showing you this 800 pieces sticky tack putty. Is a wall putty, double-sided sticky dots for wall hanging, earthquake putty. Is the museum putty or the clear removable. So they are of the different shapes and sizes. Yes, you can see it here. This is a tool to take it out and put. So these are the double-sided tape here that you can see. So one side can stick on the surface like this, and then you can just take out the protective covering just to put in that on the so I'm just putting it on this surface. You can see that it stick really well. It's hard, so it's easy to take it out as well and reuse it, or you can just take it out to remove it. So this is really nice because it's different shapes. So here you can just take it out and reuse, or you can just throw and put another one. So it all depends. It's easy to stick. There is no issue on the surface once you stick, so there is no sticky thing on the toy or on the surface. So this you can see different shapes, and it is good for the smooth surfaces, not for the rough surfaces. And the different sizes that you can use to put your stuff. You can use it in the car, on the metal surface, and any other smooth surfaces.